Quiz number 2. This is related to the basic Java knowledge. Java data types, assignment statements, arithmetic operations, and sample program outputs, and mainly for the beginners. Let's test your knowledge. Question number 1. Java was developed in what year? You need to choose when the Java was developed. Question number 2. What will be the result of the following statements? Final int x is equal to 5, x is equal to 9, system.out.println x. So you have to choose one of these questions, one of these answers, and find out that your knowledge is correct about assignment. Question number 3. What will be printed on the screen? The program is public class test, public static void main, this is the main method, and int x is equal to 5, this is one statement, int y is equal to 5, this is another statement, and int z is equal to plus x multiplied by y, and print out z. And z you have to choose what is the result of this statement and what will be assigned on z and what will be printed. So choose one of these 4 options. Question number 4. Java uses pointers to reference class objects. Is it true, false, not sure, or none of the above? Choose one of the answers. Let's go to question number 5. Question number 5 is Java compiled code is saved as. What is the extension of the compiled code file in Java? .java, .js, .cs, .c, .class. And question number 6. What will be printed on the screen? This is the program. There are 3 statements inside main function, and 2 are the assignments, and the third one is the print statement that will evaluate our expression and print it out. So you have to choose what will be printed on the screen after execution of this program. Now question number 7. What is the output of the code? These are the statements inside main function. So int x is equal to 5, int y is equal to 6. If x is less than y, then go inside the if block, int z is equal to x plus y, and then print z. So what will be the output of this function? This statement. Question number 8. What is not true about Java loops? So these are 4 statements given, and they are related to Java loops. You have to choose one which is not true. For example, use for loop when we already know how many iterations we need to execute. So while loop executes as long as its condition or expression is evaluated to true. Do while loop must execute at least once. For loop must execute at least once. Okay, now question number 9. We must declare and initialize an identifier at the same line. Is it necessary? You have to decide. Question number 10. What is wrong with this code? These are the statements. You have to see if something is wrong with the statements. So what will be the option? These are 4 options, and you have to choose one which is right. A, casting to smaller data type. B, program compiled and runs. And C, runtime error. And D is none of the above. So decide according to your knowledge which option is correct. Okay, question number 11. What is the output of this program? These are the statements inside main function, and we have to decide, we are not going to output anything. We just need to see if these 3 statements on line 1, 2, and 3 are valid, and program is will compile. So choose 1, 2, 3 are fine, 1 and 3 are fine, line 3 has casting problem, line 1, 2, 3 are incorrect. Okay, Question number 12. Identify Java keywords. 4 keywords are given and you have to choose which are the valid Java keywords and which are not. And choose your answer. Question number 13. Order numeric data with respect to size. So these are the 6 numeric data types given and numbered, and you have to organize them in the ascending order of their size. So there are 6 options. Choose which one is applicable. Question 14. What is the result of the following arithmetic expression? This expression is given. Int is mistyped as capital letter. Consider it proper int declaration. So 3 multiplied by 9 plus 6 divided by 2 and minus 30. What will be the result of this arithmetic operation? You have to choose from the 5 options. Only one option is correct. Let's move to question 15. Question 15 is what is the binary value of 7? 4 different values are given. You have to choose which one is the correct value of binary representation of 7. So question number 16. What is the hexadecimal value of 16? So 5 values are given, 5 answers are given. You have to choose one to represent the 64 in the hexadecimal format. So question number 17. Is the double largest numeric data type in Java? Double is a data type in Java. You have to decide if this is the largest one or not. So have to choose one of the 5 options. Question number 18. What is the result of the following statement? This is a statement given. Will this execute or it will not execute? Or it will assign 0 or it will assign x is equal to 9. So what is the result of executing this statement in Java? Choose one from these 4 options. Question number 19. How many types of comments supported in Java programming language? 1, 2, 3, 4, not sure, or 0. You have to decide how many different types of comment in Java. Question number 20. Which statement is true about Java? This is about Java programming language. What kind of this programming language is? So 5 options are given. Java is a statically typed language. Java is an interpreted language. Java is a dynamically typed language. Java is not an imperative language. Java is not a procedural language. So you have to choose one of these options, and the next slide will show you the answers. And 20 questions and all the correct answers are written here. You can compare your answer with it to enhance and check your knowledge. Thank you guys. That is all for today, and please subscribe to my channel and promote the content, like and share, comment. Thank you. Have a good day.